Alright guys, can we check this out real quick? It's real fucking loud in here. I apologize for that, but I want to show a couple things. We're working on a threaded gun here on this exhaust. It's stripped. The reason is they use these tapered bolts, and we can see here this one is the culprit. This is what caused all of our issue. But if you're starting one of these things with like a gun and impact on this, and you're putting forward pressure on it, and you're trying to align it, and you get it going, and it gets a little bit crooked, it's over, you can forget about it. So the ideal situation with these is to try to use something like one of these, a thread chaser or thread repair versus like a tap. The tap will completely cut out everything and it'll be a non-starter. So usually what I want to do, and what I did on this one, is I came from the back side. So that way we're already aligned with good threads. So we could fit this in here. We were able to get it started. It's aligned, and then running in with the screw, or running in with a ratchet. On this side, however, we can't do it. We can't get an alignment. So the next best thing is to match the thread. So this is a bolt that uses a 10x125 thread pitch, and I used the Dremel and cut some little notches in it. And I'm trying to replicate, essentially give it space for the little threads to clearance the metal. Start one of these. You're able to start it normal in those good threads, like so, and then you would just run it in with a ratchet and wrench until it comes out of the other side, and back it back out, and then and only then can you try to do it with a clean bolt or try to come from the front. Again, when you're starting bolts, don't be starting them with a gun in there trying to like put pressure on it. Try to start them by hand if you can. It's a little difficult with these because they have a spring, but this may save you some frustration in the future if you don't have a set of these, or if you can't get them in there for some reason. Kind of make your own, and good luck.